Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a company called ELMT Nutritional Sciences. Let's dig right into this one and see what they're all about. We're going to do a deep dive. We're going to look at the news, articles, and charts, bullish and bearish scenarios. Let's dig in. So first, we have a couple tickers here for this company. On the Canadian exchange, it is ELMT, and on the OTC American markets, ticker is ELNSF. So the company offers Rejuvenate, a proprietary formulation to assist in the rebuilding, restoration, and rejuvenation of natural loss of muscle mass due to aging or other medical conditions. So looking at their website, we could dig into them. Currently trading at 50 cents. Looks like they were up 6.3% on Friday. Saucy move, looking good. Our mission is to employ plant-based technology along with research-based nutritional science to deliver high-value products to our customers, allowing them to live life to the fullest. So right down here is the product, Rejuvenate Muscle Health, and this product is probably best for people at the age of 40, 45 and older, because that's when you really start paying attention to your health and when you need it most, when your muscles start depleting as you age. Now looking down here on the website, we can see the reasons why to invest into this industry. The plant-based food market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 11.9% from 2020 to 2027 to reach $74 billion. Flagship Rejuvenate product is over 16,500 points of distribution across North America. Patented product formulation backed by 25 peer-reviewed clinical studies conducted over the last 17 years. So a long time in the game, over 16,500 points of distribution in North America. Green flags all around. Now here is a look at their products. They have two products here. Obviously, they have the Rejuvenate Muscle Health, the powder form, and the drink. And then you have the JAK-TRX, which is an elite brand of performance supplements built out of athletes' desire to evaluate or elevate functional athletic performance. And then we can see all the partners there with Amazon, they're with Rexall, Shoppers, CVS, Walgreens, all these different retail stores, locations. So I wanted to obviously go a little further because I like to dive deep into these companies. I went on to Amazon and we could see when you search in Rejuvenate drink, they are right on the front page. Their products are right here. So they can be ordered on Amazon and bought in these retail locations. Now, with all these locations, they are in currently over 20,000 major stores just in the first year. So this is a green flag that stood out to me. In the first year, 20,000 locations. So that's very good. Very, very good. The founder and CEO also invested $3.2 million of his own money. So his money is on the line in this investment, in this company, and he has plans for this company to continue to grow. I always like to pull up their investor presentations. We could read into the company, get some investor highlights, etc. Flagship plant-based nutraceutical product Rejuvenate is proven to improve muscle health and help prevent muscle loss and help the body build lean muscle. Even at these ages, 40, 45, 50 plus, when you get older, it's much harder to do this. With a supplement, it makes it much easier. E-commerce platform allows shipment to 98% of US population within 2 business days. Pretty standard, so it's good that they are following up on that. So this product formulation backed by 25 peer-reviewed clinical studies and $20 million in investment over the last 17 years. Deep product innovation pipeline to target new markets, including oncology, orthopedics, and sports nutrition. Here's a look at the sector growth. I like to see how the market is growing. North American nutritional market growth, US $50 billion and growing. 63% of consumers are looking for plant-based foods as a healthier source of protein. Green flag. We know that more and more companies are going plant-based, organic. Everyone's health nut nowadays. They want to know what they're eating. They want to know what's in the ingredients, and this is clean proteins in this product. Adult protein beverage market over 1.6 billion, massive market. 49% of population concerned about effects of muscle loss. So that is great. Half of the population is thinking about this. This product helps it. So looking at this slide now, we could see how they size up with their competitors with this comparison chart. We could see that the protein clearly is a winner in this one, and that's clean, organic plant protein, pea and brown rice. Doesn't have milk or soy products like their competitors, but 15 grams of protein is what a lot of people look at. They're looking at calories and they're looking at protein when they're buying these drinks, and they're winning on both. Only 100 calories, so someone looking to keep that weight off but build muscle, that's what this one's gonna do. Less calories, clean organic protein, and 15 grams versus 9 and 10. Also, sugar-free, that's another green flag people look for. Dairy-free, if you're lactose intolerant or you just want to stay away from dairy. 14 carbs, 1.5 grams of fat. 6 grams and 6 grams. So green flags in the comparison versus Ensure and Boost. So I mean, you're getting all these benefits just from having this drink once a day, twice a day, before or after a workout, anti-aging, energy, decrease frailty. So a lot of green flags, strength. This guy looks very happy and strong. Now, a quick look at their team. We have Stuart Lothar, which is the president, CEO, and founder. I always like to look into the founder, see what his background is. Here's a few bullet points, but I gathered some here, a little more detail. He's the founder also of Life Science Nutritionals, which sold for $40 million. Profit Magazine ranked Life Science Nutritionals as the top fastest growing company in the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry. As the international sales executive at Jameson Laboratories, he grew revenue by 14x, sold for $320 million valuation with a public company valued at $1.4 billion. Green flag there. A bunch of other green flags here. So 30 years of experience in this industry. So great background for the CEO. Now looking at the Element Nutritional chart, it's ticker ELMT on the Canadian exchange. There is also an OTC ticker, which again is ELNSF, but there's no data on there. It must have just went live on OTC markets. This is a very early stage company, small company because the market cap on Yahoo Finance is sitting at 47.8. So very small company. Also very low volume. The average volume is 126,000. We're trading at 50 cents and it was up 6% on Friday. So it takes very little amount of volume to move the stock. So this is a small stock, smaller company based on market cap, smaller than I typically do, but definitely one to watch, put on the watch list and see how it moves in the future as more people start trying this drink, seeing these videos and learning about the company, and the volume should pick up then. All right, now let's do an analysis on this chart and see where this is possibly going to go. So I do see that they are downtrending, so I drew a quick channel on here to show you the direction it's currently moving. Now this is starting to bottom out. On a bullish scenario, this would test the top part of this channel, which would be around 58 cents. We would first have to get through a mini resistance of 56 cents. So first target could be 56 cents and then the top of the white channel, which would be around 60 cents. So that would be the areas, 2 areas of a bullish scenario. If something happens, some good news articles come out, maybe they get listed in more locations, good sales numbers, they could blast through this area of resistance in this downward channel, finally break out of it and head back up, testing this area where they were at previously at 85 cents. So that would be a breakout bullish scenario. But because on this channel, we're not going to be biased and only show a bullish, we're going to do a bearish scenario as well. So we know what could possibly happen if this turns sour. Maybe some bad news comes out. Maybe a seller comes on board and starts liquidating. So we want to know where this could possibly go if we go bearish. And that is pretty easy to see. I'm going to extend this. I'm going to extend this white line so we could see where this would possibly fall to. So if this can't beat this area here, it should come down to this area, and it could also come down to this area. So let me draw some support lines so we can see what I'm talking about. Boop, boop. And then we have our resistance line right there. So it can get rejected at this 56 cents, 55 cent mark, and then come all the way down to the white line, or it could fall down to this green line here at 42 cents because of the support here. This is some good support. So that's our bear scenario, and then at that point, I would expect them to then turn around and head back up and retest 56 cents if it's going to then turn bullish from there. So that's it for this company. That's the analysis of the chart, where it's going to go bullish and bearish scenario. This is a sponsored video, so always do your own DD, as this is not financial advice. I try and pack as much as I can into these videos, but obviously I can't pack everything. So links to the company are in the description. Check those out. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.